You've heard of Jeep ducking, right? Well, we're bringing that experience to the Bronco culture, but not like you think. I'm Ben, Bronco owner and founder of Fero, and today I want to tell you about a new experience that I've been designing from the ground up, exclusively for the Bronco community. It's called branding, and it works kind of like ducking, with a few significant differences. For starters, we've got these PVC patches with a hook and loop back, so you can attach them to the headliner on the hardtops and the back of the rear seats on Broncos. Each of these also comes with a hang tag. Now this hang tag's got a few extra details. One is it's got a premium vinyl sticker on one side that just peels right off. And on the other side, it says you've been branded, and it has a place to write your name or your Instagram handle if you'd like to be contacted. It also has a link to an exclusive Facebook group for branded Broncos, so you can post pictures there. It also has a place so you can tag Fero Machines on Instagram for a chance to be featured on our main account. These are all gonna come in different designs, different shapes, sizes, colors. There'll be limited edition runs, things like that. So there'll be plenty to collect, plenty to share throughout the year. So we're planning on a lot of different designs just this year alone, and there'll be more to come. They'll also all come together as a set, so you don't have to buy the tags separately or anything like that, or make your own. It's all gonna come as like this package right here. And they'll come in sets of 3, so you'll get 3 of these to pass on to other Broncos that you think look cool. These are available today at feromachines.com, and I hope you'll grab some.